we put the wrap over the top underneath his fingers, and we just push it there in the back. We fake the wrap, okay? Doesn't really matter what it's in there, nobody will know. Cool. And then that's a new wrap. Then we can put this over the top. And what I like to do, I use my boxes. You can use whatever you want. If it's, and I do a different pose. This is how I reinvent my wheel. He's a little bit down, so what I will do, I will put another pillow behind him to lift him up a bit. That's what I told you, pillows are your best friend. Yeah. Cool. I think I have a hat in there too. So I want him to look at me. The light still falls over his nose. You see this part here is in shadow, and this part there, it's lit. And again, because I use a 35mm lens, I don't need to go here. Go above his eye, take the shot, and looks like that.
Okay.
If you want, you can increase your ISO. I can